Okay, let's look at part 2 of my video looking at strategies for identifying missing numbers. So we have 4 number sequences here. We have a red, a blue, a green and a yellow number sequence. What I want you to do is I want you to take a second, pause the video and try and work out the missing numbers in each number sequence. Now I'm going to take you through my thinking to identify the missing numbers in each number sequence. Have a look at the number string that has the red missing numbers. I can see that the number pattern is increasing. It goes 35, 40, 45. So the number pattern is increasing each time. Then I go and I have a look at the numbers that I can see. All right, the numbers that I see, I'm having a look at the ones column. So I can see in the ones column that there is a 5 and then a 0 and then a 5. So we have 35, 40, 45. So the ones column actually changes each time from 5, 0, 5. And that gives me an indication that maybe this number pattern might be increasing by 5s each time. It follows an A-B pattern. Therefore, the numbers that I think might go in the missing positions are 25, 30, and then at the very end 50, because I see an increase of 5 each time. Let's have a look at the blue sequence. The missing numbers for the blue sequence are increasing, okay? So I can see from 17, 22, 32, those numbers are increasing. Then I can see another A-B pattern. If I look at my ones column of the numbers that I can see a 2, a 7, and a 2. So 42, 47, 52. So the ones column changes each time. It's an A-B pattern. So I'm thinking that maybe the blue missing numbers are to do with that 5s pattern, that A-B pattern. In my green number string, I can see that the numbers are actually decreasing this time. This is the first pattern that we've seen in this example video of a number pattern that's decreasing. So it goes 98, 88, 83, 78, and then a couple of missing numbers and 63. What we can see each time there is, once again, I go to the ones column of each of my numbers and I can see that the number changes from 8, 3, 8, which gives me an idea that it might be an A-B pattern looking at 5s. Okay, 88, 83, 78. The next number I feel might be 73. So that follows another A-B pattern, and we know that the A-B pattern is related and is a 5s pattern, counting by 5s. So we have a number pattern that is decreasing by 5 each time. Let's have a look at the yellow string. The yellow string has numbers that are increasing. So the string is increasing in value each time, 23, 33, 43. But what is the number that's changing? If I look at the 10s and the 1s column, I can see that my 10s column is changing each time. 23, 33, 43. So that is a recurring 10s pattern. What we're seeing is the change each time by 10. 23, 33, 43. I think the next number must be 53. 63, next missing number must be 73. 83, and then 93. Okay, so remember our strategies. Our strategies are, let's have a look at the numbers around the missing numbers. Are they increasing? And then let's have a look at the 10s and the 1s. What is the pattern that we can see? We've already discussed in previous videos the different patterns. If you're seeing an A-B pattern, it must be a 5s pattern. If you're seeing the 10s column change each time, it might mean that the 10s column is the one that's changing, therefore it's increasing or decreasing by 10. And here's our answers or our results. So we can see that the missing numbers in the red sequence are 25, 30, and 50, which means that they're counting by 5s. An increasing number pattern that counts by 5s. In our blue number sequence, we can see an increasing number sequence that is counting by 5s again. 7, 2, 7, 2, 7, 2, 7, 2. We can see in the green number sequence, we can see a decreasing number pattern. 98, 93, 88, 83, 78, 73, 68, 63. We can see in the yellow number sequence that the number pattern is a tens pattern, because the tens column is changing each time. 23, 33, 43, 53, 63, 73, 83, and then 93. These are my strategies for identifying missing numbers in a number sequence. Let's have a look at the number sequence. Is it increasing? And then we say to ourselves, what pattern can we see? What pattern can we identify in the numbers that we see in our number string? Thanks, guys.